Hello everyone, welcome to sanamtutorial. Today we are back with the detailed solution of mock test 7 for class 6 mathematics annual examination 2024-25 of DAV Public School, Cuttack. So far we have completed solution for 6 mock tests and I hope they have been helpful in your preparation. In this mock test we will focus on the chapter angles. So let us go through the question step by step and understand the solution clearly. So get your pen and notebook ready. So let's start. First question, the standard unit of angle is dash. The standard unit is degree. Okay. So answer is degree. Or you can write this degree. Now the complement. So complement means sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree. Means one angle is 0.5, then the another is we subtract from the 90 degree. So 90.0 minus 0.5 because any number decimal is after number, that's why 90.0 minus 0.5. So answer is 0 minus 5, that is 5. Here is 9. 9, here is 8, so 89.5 degree. Understand? Next question, 2 by 15 of a complete angle. Okay, there are the different types of angles are there. Complete angle means 360. The value whose measure is 360 degree is called complete angle. So 2 by 15 into 360. Multiply and divide. So 15 2 ja 30, 15 4 ja 60, 24 2 ja 48. So answer is 48 degree. Now next, find x. Okay, this is total is complete angle because we know that this is called complete angle. Yes or no? So total is complete angle means 360. So 360 minus 50. Then we get this angle, that is x. So x equal to 360 minus 50 degree, that is 310 degree. All of you clear? Next, the supplement of angle 75. Supplement means sum of two angle, but sum of any two angle is equal to 180 degree, means we subtract from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 75, that is 501. So answer is 105. Option number 2i. Next question, find x. Okay, this is complementary because we know that this is L means 90 degree and this angle is called complement, means this plus this is equal to 90 degree. So we can write x plus 47 degree is equal to 90 degree because of complementary. Yes or no? Now x equal to 90 minus 47 because here is addition, that when go to the right side then it will be minus. So x equal to 3, here is 8 minus 4, that is 43 degree. Next question, look carefully at the figure and the write down. Okay, one pair of the complementary angle. So tell me what is complementary angle. Now complementary angle means sum of the two angle is equal to 90 degree, means this angle plus this angle is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? Because these two angle are in the L. L means 90 degree, means this angle plus this angle is equal to 90 degree or complementary. So we can write a number, that is BOA angle and COB or BOC. This pair is called complementary angle. Yes or no? Now B number, two pair of supplementary. Supplementary means this and this. Okay, means when the straight line, when a line chord with straight line is called supplementary angle. Means this angle plus this angle. Means we can write here, suppose OA, D, here is OA. C means COD one angle, that is COD angle, and COA. This is one pair supplementary angle. So another pair is BOA and BOD. So write down BOD and BOA. Okay, means sum of this angle is equal to 180 degree. Now next, state the kind of the angle that the direction southeast and north. Okay, we know that there are the 4 cardinal directions are there, that is north, south, east and west, and 4 intermediate directions are there, that is northeast, southeast and southwest and northwest. Now find the direction between southeast. Where is southeast? Here southeast and north, means this angle. So this angle is a obtuse angle, yes or no? Because 92 more than 90, that's why the answer is obtuse angle. Clear? Now completed. If you like the session, then you can subscribe my channel for more content. Also, you can download the PDF from my WhatsApp or Telegram group. If you are new, then you can join by click the link are in the description below. Okay, so thank you.